Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by pinpointing the target container, run docker ps to get the ID or name. Once done, pull recent logs using docker logs since one MT container so timestamps help you correlate events. If logs are sparse, attach a shell with docker execute container /bin/sh to inspect files and processes directly. Make sure you use the correct user, otherwise permission errors will mislead you. Keep these steps quick so you can iterate. Now dive into the container internals to see what's actually running. You should run ps-ox or top to identify hung processes. Once located, kill or restart them as needed. Next, inspect the file system with lsal and do h to find missing files or full volumes that break services. For networking issues, curl localhost, port and use netstat-tone to confirm listeners. If an environment variable is wrong, edit the config and restart so changes take effect. To finish, reproduce the issue in an isolated run. Docker run rm it with the same env and command so you eliminate orchestration variables. Once you confirm the fix, restart the original container with docker restart or recreate it via docker compose upd to apply persistent changes. If problems persist, check Docker events and host CPU, memory, and disk usage to spot resource constraints. One key troubleshooting tip: if logs show nothing, inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.